Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Choosing the right furniture colors can completely transform your space and tie your home's palette together beautifully. Today, I'm going to share some easy tips and tricks to help you pick the perfect furniture colors to match your home. Let's get started. 1. Understand your home's color palette. First, you need to understand your home's color palette. Look at the colors on your walls, floors, and existing decor. Identify the dominant colors as well as any accent colors. This will help you choose furniture that complements your existing palette. 2. Use the color wheel. Next, use the color wheel to guide your choices. Colors that are opposite each other on the color wheel, known as complementary colors, create a vibrant look. Analogous colors, which are next to each other on the wheel, offer a more harmonious and calming effect. 3. Neutral furniture for flexibility. If you prefer flexibility, go for neutral furniture. Colors like beige, gray, white, and black are timeless and versatile. They work well with any color scheme and allow you to change your decor more easily over time. 4. Matching warm and cool tones. Pay attention to the undertones in your palette. If your home features warm tones like red, orange, and yellow, choose furniture with similar warm undertones. For cool tones like blue, green, and purple, select furniture that matches those cool undertones. Create contrast with accent pieces. Don't be afraid to create contrast with accent pieces. A bold, colorful armchair or a vibrant coffee table can add interest and personality to your space without overwhelming it. Just make sure these pieces tie into your overall color scheme. 6. Personal preference and style. Lastly, consider your personal preference and style. Your home should reflect your taste. If you love bold colors or unique patterns, incorporate them into your furniture choices. Your space should feel comfortable and uniquely yours. And there you have it, some simple tips to help you choose furniture colors that match your home's palette perfectly. By understanding your color scheme, using the color wheel, and considering lighting and personal style, you can create a harmonious and stylish space. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more interior design tips. Until next time, happy decorating!